Have you ever tried to copy an image from a website only to be met with frustration? If you've been struggling to copy SVG images from Wikipedia to Google Docs, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together and find a solution. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you need to use an image for your work, but the tools just don't cooperate. Many users face this issue, especially when dealing with SVG images and different applications. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user mentioned that they tried to copy a rich text with formulas from Wikipedia, but Google Docs displayed an error saying, "Unable to create some images." They also tried using Word 2016, but it didn't work either. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be causing this issue? SVG images can sometimes be tricky to handle, especially when transferring between different applications. Let's break down the possible reasons and how to fix them. And stick around. I have a helpful tip at the end that will make working with images in Google Docs a breeze. To begin solving the user's issue with copying SVG images from Wikipedia to Google Docs, the first step is to download the SVG image directly from the Wikipedia page. Next, the user should convert the SVG file into a format that Google Docs can easily handle, such as PNG or JPEG. This can be done using an online converter. After converting the image, the user can now insert it into Google Docs. They should open their document and use the Insert Image feature. Finally, the user should check the image's size and position within the document to ensure it appears correctly. They can adjust it as needed. Fun fact, SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which means they can be resized without losing quality. So if you ever need a high-quality image, SVG is the way to go. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to generate the SVG images as PNG files. This method works if you have control over your MathJax plugin, allowing you to convert the images to a format that Google Docs can accept. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the format of the images you're working with. Using compatible formats can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to copy SVG images from Wikipedia to Google Docs without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to keep experimenting with different formats.